So this is my bedroom. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Emma. We are in the process of moving all of my stuff from my parents' house to my new house on campus. I will be a senior at the University of Cincinnati this year, and I'm finally moving out. We moved about half of my stuff over this past weekend, but like most of my furniture is still in my room, but we're probably gonna do that like tomorrow or later. I'm not really in a rush to move out because I just got back from Europe. But yeah, so this is what my room looks like right now. So I'm basically just moving all my furniture. So my bed will go, my desk will go. That's actually it, and then just like the chair here. But yeah, we're just moving some more little stuff. This I'm gonna move later because I'm still like using it. That I'll probably move later. So I think we're mostly just gonna take this stuff. So I have shoes, some mugs for my kitchen. Actually that might be it. Bring this pillow too that my friend got me. I love it. So yeah, my sister and I are gonna head over there, drop a load off. My mom has an exam that she's hoping will be finished by 1, and it's about 12:37, so I think she's gonna meet us after. And we might just like clean my room and start hanging some stuff up because it's mostly just all in boxes still. So yeah, it will be fun, hopefully. Putting her to work. Okay. Think you can just slide it in there? There we go.
It's hot.
Some kitchen stuff. It is freaking hot. Cincinnati, man. Did not miss the humidity. Alright, so this is my bedroom. I love it, especially the fireplace. And then out here I have a little balcony, so I'm gonna get a chair to put out there. So the plan is to put my desk here. Yeah, get the fly out. And then my bed here, side table, maybe a chair here, and that's it. Yeah, here's the balcony. It's so nice, dude. So I want to get like a chair with armrests and like a little table for like morning coffee. And then this is it. Woohoo! Okay, and then we'll do a little empty tour. This is the living room on the 2nd floor that we'll have to furnish. It's a roommate's bedroom. This is the bathroom that I share with my other roommate. Nice mirror, nice sink, cutest soap that I got at Home Goods. And then we have a nice little shower. So, woo! Okay, so upstairs there are 2 more bedrooms. And then back downstairs, maybe later, go back down here. That is the front door. It's another bedroom. And then this is our living room, dining room, and kitchen. So we have like all of our kitchen stuff out. We have to go through it and put it away, decide what goes where. Got a rug, pink towel. And then, yeah, I think what we're gonna do are bar stools here, maybe use this as a kitchen table as well, and then like a couch here. And then this is our backyard. So it's not looking too hot right now, but we do have a fireplace.
That's a fireplace?
Yeah, and then we have a little back porch too. And that goes down to the basement. I have not gone in that door, but it's a nice hideaway. So my mom and I have been working on the kitchen a little bit. We have been just putting like pots and pans away, just kind of organizing because we all have so much stuff. And then this is my shelf with my plates and my mugs. I have to get like some plastic cups. And then we're gonna do like silverware here. We have towels and stuff. We are finished for the day. I'll show you guys what we did. We just put up this Paris map in between my window, and then I put all my picture frames up on the mantle, and then I got most of my clothes, everything but my underwear is all in my closet. So just have like workout stuff and pants and shirts and all of my nicer stuff. Yeah. It's hung up. Yep, this is it. Jewelry, bathing suits, shoes. And then this is all that we have left. Most of this stuff is gonna go like on my desk and my bedside table. So, progress, woo! Okay, hi, it is a couple days later. It's Friday, August 9th. I'm actually at work right now. It's been pretty slow. So I just wanted to film this clip because I was just going through my footage from kind of my first part of moving into my house, and just wanted to kind of wrap it up because I think I'm gonna do a part 2. I don't even know when I'm moving in now. It's kind of, I don't know. I wanted to move in tomorrow after work, and I was just gonna bring like my bed frame from home, and then also a futon that we have in my sister's room, put that into the living room up on the 2nd floor. So we were gonna have to get a like U-Haul, but my mom just texted me and asked what I thought about buying a new bed frame and a new mattress to take. And I refuse to pay for it because like I'm honestly only gonna be living there for not even a year. Like the lease ends July 31st. And then after that, I will be going to China and maybe somewhere else. And I just don't really know where I'm gonna end up. So I really just don't want to buy a lot of stuff that I'm not gonna end up using, I guess, directly after I finish college. Which may sound kind of bratty, and I know that kind of is. But I just feel like material things really hold me back. Like I was just saying in Ukraine, like if I didn't have a house for this year, I would not be going back to college. I would be doing ILP again or just doing something else, which I'm kind of glad that I actually do have the lease because now I have to finish college and get my bachelor's degree. But yeah, I don't know, I just don't really want to like buy new stuff. So anyways, I just figured I'd end this vlog because I don't know when I'm moving now, because I was just looking at like bed frames and mattresses, and they won't be able to be delivered for like 2 days or a week or so, like depending on where I purchased them for. So I might not be able to move in tomorrow, which is kind of sad because all my roommates are hanging out and I'm just like over here chilling at my parents' house. It'll all work out, but I just figured that I would end this video and just kind of chat, because again, I feel like I have not talked in so long, and like I've been watching more YouTube since I've been back home, and I'm like, wow, I really miss like vlogging and talking to people. You are the people. So I just wanted to sit down and chat. Yeah, I've been pretty chatty as of late after I came back from Europe because I like talk to people all the time there, and I learned to love it, and I got way better at my communication skills, which were kind of lacking, which is awesome. But yeah, I have been back to work. I have worked like 15 plus today was 7, 22 hours in the past 3 days, which isn't really that much, but having not worked for 3 months, it feels super good. I'm really happy to be back, to be making money, to be seeing my boss, she's awesome, and just to be like around kids again because I miss my Ukrainian kids a lot. Sorry, I don't know if I'll ever stop talking about Ukraine. I just love it so much, and yeah, it just makes me sad. I just love them. So yeah, that's what's happening. I'm just about off. I have to close up the store, but yeah, like I said, it's been pretty quiet here today, so it's been kind of nice just to chill because the past 2 days were really busy. And yeah, I'm just gonna go home and chill. I don't really know. Thank you guys for watching this video. Part 2 will be coming sometime. I don't know when. But if you guys have any questions or video requests, things that you want me to talk about or film with the moving process, going back to school, starting my senior year, woohoo, let me know. You guys can comment down below or DM me on Instagram. It's EmmaCatherine09. And yeah, thank you for watching again, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye!